Yeah, welcome to today's color mixture class, raw tutorial. One of the reasons why I tagged this tutorial raw hat is because it's straight, direct, no cut, no edit. So we're mixing this gold palette and we'll be using this color set, which is titanium white, um, medium yellow, brilliant red. This is I forgot to. This is crimson, this is ultramarine, and this is black. So let's go straight right into it by mixing the very first color. And that's looking like just yellow and white, but like we used to do, we don't guess, we test. Yes, that's one of the line you should hold on to when mixing colors. You don't guess, you test. You don't assume, you don't trust your instincts, you just mix and do a test. And that's one of the reasons why we are having these are color palettes, because it helps us decide if we are right or not. Okay, so from what I can see, it feels like we need to add a little bit of blue into that mixture. And this blue is too much. This blue is too much. Yeah, it's too much. Very close, but it's somehow too light. Yeah, that's the exact color. So that's the first color on the palette there. Let's move on to the next color. If you're trying to paint anything golden, I feel you can use this color palette as a guide, like metallic gold. This should work. Oh, I think I combined the wrong colors, but then let's test. If it's wrong, we know. I think that other color has blue in it instead, just like the first one. So let's use this for the third color. Yeah, I think it should work for the third color. Let's go darker. So another thing in the third color is you're still going to have blue in it. Yes, a touch of blue, just to desaturate it a bit. And let's add red and yellow again. Okay, that matched the third color there. On the palette. Now let's move on to mixing the second color. Always clear your palette for the next mixture. So the parameter, if they are not in the same line of color mixture, or if they are not in the same line of value, the last color is not going to affect the new one. I think I added too much white. But just like I said, you don't guess, you test. So I need to go darker a bit. So if you look at these colors, naturally you would not believe these additional colors that are in it until we start mixing them. And that's one thing about color mixture. It's so technical that is it technical? Is technical the right word? Well, it's so strong that where you never can tell some color mixture until you put it to test. I did not practice these colors before starting the mixture, so I'm just mixing it, not like for the very first time, but not like I'm just mixing colors for the very first time, but this exact value, I'm just mixing them. So for me, myself, I'm learning through the process, and also I'm having experiences about how colors relate. Also, minute colors can be in a color value and you will not notice until you test them. So I'm imploring you to pick up some colors in your environment, and from the lessons you have learned about colors and from my past videos, you'll be able to know how colors relate and which color to add up. Then put it to test and start learning. Start your color mixture journey, because if you can solve the problem of color mixture in your painting, you are 90% good at that painting. Most of the realism arts you see, one of the key things in those realism arts is the value of their color. So once the color is right, definitely their work is going to come out well. It's going to look realistic. So but some artists don't take this part of color mixture seriously. They just jump right into the painting, assume the shades of the color and apply them. That's the fourth color here. We're moving on to the last one. If you are new to this channel, if you are watching this video for the very first time and you are learning, you have gotten value from this video, do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on my next videos, because I'll be teaching more about how to paint and how to mix colors, how to apply colors, and how to paint realism artworks. So if you don't want to miss out on my following lessons, subscribe, turn on the notification button, And please do well to share this video also, so that YouTube can recommend it for more people like you that need this lesson also, that wants to grow their skill, that wants to become better at painting on the color mixture. So this is the last color. Is looking like a very deep green to me, and from what I can see, we might have to use black in this mixture to get to that value. Yeah, I have to use some sort of black. Okay, let's add a little black first before we know if we should add blue or not. We're not there yet, so I'm not getting to the value. So I think I'm now doing too much with the black. I'll break it back with the yellow and red. Yeah, we are close now. Let's add some yellows and probably red. Yes, that's the perfect color. If you watched this point, thanks. Don't forget to like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and drop a comment if you have any color that is challenging to mix. I'll see you in my next video. Do well to watch other videos so you can gain more insight about colors. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.